Hello everyone, welcome back in maths classes. In this video, I will solve question number 14 to 16 of exercise 2.2. This is page number 34 and I am going to solve these three questions. So question 14 is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank, okay, means she is working as a cashier and she has currency notes of denominations. So I am not writing the question, I will write only the information that is given in the question. Rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. She has some notes of these denominations and the ratio of the number of notes is number of notes are in the ratio 2, ratio 3, ratio 5. Okay, these are not the number of notes, actually these are the ratio. What is the meaning of ratio? Listen carefully. अगर लक्ष्मी के पास 100 रुपए के 2 नोट हैं तो 50 रुपीज़ के 3 नोट्स होंगे और 10 रुपीज़ के 5 नोट्स होंगे. सो दिस इज़ द रेशो. इट डजेंट टेल द एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट, इट टेल्स द comparison, it gives the comparison only. And the total cash or the total amount with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. Okay, so we have to find the number of denominations, number of notes of each denomination. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या पता करना है? जितने भी नोट्स लक्ष्मी के पास हैं उस डिनोमिनेशंस के वो कितने होंगे, means how many notes are there of rupees 100, how many notes of rupees 50 and how many notes of rupees 10. Now focus at the board. So this is the ratio. Then we will write, let number of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 are 2x, 3x and 5x. So I told you in the previous video, if ratio is given, you can multiply all these values in the ratio by x. So 2x, 3x and 5x. Now as we know that the total amount is rupees 4 lakh, but listen carefully, if there are 2x notes of rupees 100, then total amount will be 100 into 2x. Why it is so? देखिए अगर आपके पास 100 रुपीज़ के 4 नोट्स होंगे तो टोटल अमाउंट होगा 4 into 100. So in this way we will calculate the amount. 2x multiply by 100, then 3x multiply by 50, because there are 3x notes of rupees 50. Similarly 5x into 10. Now total amount or total cash, you can write total cash is rupees 4 lakh. Hence what is the total cash? So multiply 100 by 2x, this one. Okay, so 2x into this is 100 plus 3x into 50 plus 5x into 10, and that is equal to 4 lakh. Alright students, now pause the video and write. I am going to solve this equation. It is 200 plus 200x. Okay, 100 2 ja 200 x. This is 53 ja 150 x, and x is 10 5 ja 50 50 x, and the amount is 4 lakh. Then what is the sum of these? It is 200 and 200 plus 200, 400. Okay, you can write rupees also, rupees and rupees. Okay, and now you can calculate x easily. So x is rupees 4 lakh upon, this is 400. Okay, it is also rupees, overall is rupees. Now 0 can be cancelled. Okay, and it is 4000. So if 4000 is divided by 4, we get 1000. This is also in rupees, and the value of x is only 1000 because the ratio doesn't have any unit. So rupees and rupees also cancelled. 4000 divided by 4 is 1000. All right, so this is x equals 1000, and you can find the number of notes of each denominations. So finally number of rupees 100 notes is, that was x only. Okay, that was 2x. From the given ratio I have written that 2x, 3x and 5x, these are the number of notes of each denomination. So it is 2 into 1000, that is rupees 2000. Then number of rupees 50 notes equals, that was 3x, so it is rupees 3 into 50, it is rupees 150, and number of rupees 10 notes is rupees 5x. Okay, so it is 5 into 3x. Okay, here I have done some mistake, so sorry for that. We have to write 3 into 1000, that is 3000, because the value of x is 1000. Again, number of rupee 10 notes is rupees 5x, so it is 5 into 1000, and it is rupees 5000. These three are the answers of this question. So it is question number 14 of exercise 2.2. Rupees 100, there are 2000 notes. Rupees 50, 3000 notes, and rupees 10, there are 5000 notes. So students, this is the answer of 14th question. Listen properly. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denominations are with me? So I am writing the solution. It is given that the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Let number of rupees 5 coins be x. Then number of rupees 3 coins be. Number of rupees 2 coins be 3x, because it is given number of rupees 2 coins are 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Okay. Okay, then how many notes are there of denomination 1? Means according to question we assume that there are x notes of rupees 5, okay, and then 3x coins of rupees 2. But how many coins are there of rupees 1? So we have to write number of rupees 1 coins be 160 minus. Why I have written 160? Because there are total 160 coins. जितने भी coins है वो 160 हैं, उनमें से हम इन दोनों का टोटल माइनस करेंगे. So what is the total of these? X plus 3x 4x. So we can write number of rupees 1 coins be 160 minus 4s. Now what is the total amount? It is given that 300. So we write total amount is rupees 300. So from this information, how can we calculate the total amount? Please focus at the board. As you can see, there are X coins of rupees 5. So total amount is 5X. 3 coins of rupees 2. Total amount is 2 into 3X. And number of coins are for rupees 1. These are the number of coins. So multiply this by 1. Again, multiply X by 5, 3X by 2, and this by 1. Then you will get the total amount. So it is 5X plus 2 into 3X, that is, okay, I write 2 into 3X plus 1 into this number. So we get the same number, 160 minus 4X, that is rupees 300, and it is also rupees. Finally, this is 5X, this is 6X. So 5 plus 6, 11, 11 minus 4, 7X, and plus 160 equals rupees 300. Okay. And when we solve this, we get, it is 160. What is 160? It is the number of coins. So 7X equal to rupees 300 minus 160, and 7X equals, what is the difference of 300 minus 160? That is 140. And easily you can calculate the value of X. So I am going to erase, pause the video and note it down. And X will be, X is 140 upon 7, that is 20. So finally we have found the value of X. Now you can calculate the number of coins of each denominations. Number of rupees 5 coins is simply X, that is 20. Then number of rupees 2 coins equals, that was 3X. So it is 3 into 20, that is 60. And number of rupees 1 coins was 160 minus 4X. So it is 160 minus 4 into, what is X? That is 20. So it is 160 minus 80, and that is 80. Okay. And the answer of the question number 15, it is exercise 2.2. The answer is, number of rupee 1 coins is 80, number of 2 is coins is 60, and number of rupees 5 coins is 20. So the answer is 20, 60 and 80. Okay. I want to tell you something. You can highlight your answer. Okay. So make a square here around the values. Question number 16. It is, the organizers of an essay competition decide that the winner in a competition gets a prize of rupees 100. Means the winner will get rupees 100, and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. So the total prize money distributed is 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Very good. So this is very easy. This is question 16. It is given that the number of participants is 63 and the total money distributed will be 3000. So let number of winners is X, then number of participant who does not win, then number of remaining is 63 minus x, because total number of participants is 63, the winners are x, then remaining number of candidates will be 63 minus x. Now we have to make an equation. This is the final step. So since the total amount is, we have to write according to question. So if you are going to make an equation, you need an equal sign and write the final amount here, because it is 3000. Now what is the total amount which is given to the winners or the other candidates? As it is given that rupees 100 is given to the winners, so the amount of winners will be 100x, and the other candidates who do not win will get a prize of rupees 25. So we'll multiply 25 by 63 minus x. Now we have to solve this equation. It is 100x plus, what is the product of 25 and 63? So the answer is 25 3 is 75. Okay, 7 carry, it is 150 plus 7 157, and minus 25x equals 3000. Students, this is the equation. Again you can solve it easily by taking 100x and minus 25x together. So it is 75x, and this value is transposed to right hand side. So it will be 3000 minus 1575. 75x equals, what is the difference of these? So it is 1425. Okay, so we check it. Okay, it is 1425. Now I'm going to erase this, pause the video and not. So 75x equals 1425, and x will be 1425 upon 75. Okay, so if we cancel out these numbers, what will be the answer? It will be 19. Okay, you can solve it in rough notebook. Has number of winners are 19. This is the answer of 16th question. Okay students, do practice regularly, stay home and stay healthy. Okay, best of luck.